Put soap in the popcorn and you will thank me for life. To start, you will need a pan and a stove. Place the pan over the fire and pour a good splash of oil. Once the oil is hot, add a cup of corn kernels and prepare for an experience of popcorn like no other. The process up to this point is quite standard to make popcorn, but this is where the unexpected twist comes in that will transform your snacks forever. While the popcorn begins to burst, keep the lid on to prevent them from jumping all over the kitchen. When all the popcorn is made, turn off the stove and let them cool for a few minutes. Now comes the exciting part. Take a glass bowl and fill it halfway with the freshly made popcorn. With your hands, try to crush them as much as you can, as we will use the special ingredient next, and they need to be mixed well. Then, grab a common glycerin soap or even the soap you use to shower and scratch it on the popcorn. Add a tablespoon of baking soda and another of common salt to the popcorn. Mix everything well until the ingredients are evenly distributed. An easy way to do this is to place a plastic bag on the bowl and gently shake it to make sure everything is well mixed. If you like, you can also add a little grated cheese as an additional touch, but that is completely optional. And there you have it. Your corn popcorn trick will never be the same again. Before revealing what this is for, it is important to note that this is not a gourmet recipe for cooking popcorn. These ingredients should not be in your popcorn when eating, so try to keep this away from children, especially if they are small. It is no secret that pests always try to break into houses. If your house is full of cockroaches, mice, or other pests, and these do not leave you alone, you can apply this to places where they know they are around. Plagues are attracted to the smell, and when they eat these, they are eliminated.